The NSK esa-lya2afh-20 is a family member of the NSK Megatorque family of high-torque motors and motor controllers. Since developing our first test procedure in the 1990s for repairing the model used for the Kokusai Sublimation Furnace, ERD has worked on the entire line and family of Megatorque drivers. We own multiple test motors, which allows us to test the full range of drivers regardless of the application. This driver, after a full rebuild, was attached to one of our motors, and as you can see, we can fully control the driver. At ERD, we repair not just this set of drivers, but a huge list of closed-loop, highly controlled motor controllers. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.